This is a room tour of a one-bedroom apartment with a balcony at TUI Suneo Ficus. As you come in, your bedroom's straight away, so it's quite nice. And you've got your wardrobe with your safe and your hanging space. It's a little bit dark in the bedroom, but the rest of it's quite lit up. And then as you come through, you've got your bathroom, sink, got a hairdryer on the wall, and then your shower, towels. It's almost out like a wet room. It looks okay. And then she comes through, down some steps. You've got a dining area with table, little kitchenette with kettle and fridge and everything you could need. And then you've got a lounging area, and then TV on the wall. And then as it's got a balcony, this is the balcony. You might hear the night entertainment because we've only just got here and it's 9:30. I don't know whether there's lights on the balcony. I'll try and do a view of the daytime tomorrow. But this is our view at night. So we're going to enjoy it here. I'll show you a bit of the daytime view for the room tour. But thanks for watching.